Okay, I've set it up in the device so it's vertical. I'm going to point out the area that I think was the problem. This is the new fancy solid state capacitor, and right about here, it's hard doing this. See this gap right here between that piece? I'm doing this left-handed, sorry. Anyway, that gap was very narrow. And all I did, boy, oh boy, try to work with the video. All I did was open that gap up a little bit by adjusting the position and adjusting the notch on this side a little bit to clear that screw to open up this gap. I think this new device, solid state capacitor, might have been touching this points plate. Can't say for sure, but that's the only thing I found, and now I've got good spark, so I'm going to call it good.